In this video, we have four sets of blocks here. And as you can see, the first one is 1 tall, 2, and then 4, and then 6 blocks tall there on the end. And notice with our fixed light source, each of their shadows are growing in length. So the height of the blocks does matter. But there are other variables that also matter. Let's just look at this one shadow. As the height of the light increases taller, the shadow is growing shorter, and as the height of the light lowers, the shadow is growing longer and longer. Opposite of what we might have thought happened, but the height of the light is also affecting the shadow length. Another characteristic is to change the block's distance from the light. So now we're going to have our light at a fixed height. Okay, so my assistant here is not going to move the light height. And I'm going to move the blocks further away from the light. And again. And as the object is moving further away from the light, the shadow length is growing. And as the block are moved closer to the light, that shadow length is shorter. The last variable that some students want to know is, what if you change the width of the object? So here I have some blocks that are 3 tall. Again, my height of my light is staying the same, and now I'm adding the blocks. And as I add more towers that are the same height, you can see here that the shadow length, let me get them all lined up, the shadow length is not changing. It is staying the same.